Hi, I've moved house, so this is a new space for me doing my videos. I thought I'd do a little unboxing video because it's spring now here in the UK, and even though I've got my Vivo Stealths, which will be fine all year round really, I wanted something that went with like jeans and didn't look so trainerish. So because I'd earned quite a few points from the amount of stuff that I buy from them, I had quite a discount on a new pair of shoes. So I decided to buy the Soul of Africa Ababa, I think it is, Ababa. So let's unbox them. So lovely paper and card again. And I went for the black so that they would go with everything that I've got. So very interesting. Got a bit more paper there. So you've got this nice pattern on the front, which is a bit unusual. I really like this little red. Don't know why. Oh, it goes all the way through. Yeah, it's really nice. So these are canvas, so the vegan ones again. Quite like this. It's cool. So this is like a rubber on the bottom. It goes right up the back. Very wide looking. Yeah, really interesting. So I think the profits go to the people that make, I don't know, I have to research it a bit more, something to do with the Soul of Africa social enterprise. I think the profits go there. So I ended up spending 51, I think. I think there's 70 online, and I had, I think, about £20, well, £19 discount. So it worked out pretty well. These are going to be my spring, summer, early autumn shoe, I think, for just going out and stuff. Like I said, I don't really want to constantly wear trainers. So I'll try them on. So I'm super lazy with the camera, and I'm not really, I don't know what I'm doing. I should ask my 15-year-old really, but anyway, you can just about see them on here. So they're quite, well, they're really flat again, wide toe box, and they fit well. They feel snug around this bit, which is where you'd feel like it would lift, but that's not, I don't think that's going to lift as I walk. Can I have a go? So yeah, I don't think they're lifting as I walk, no. So yeah, they're quite nice, I like them. I think they'll go with most stuff. So obviously this isn't a review video, this is just an unboxing, but give it a couple of months and I'll let you know how they are. Okay,